night birds sang, and while they had always calmed Sidon, this time they awoke her with a new uneasiness. Her vision with Calvin had really thrown her. Her pain was deep. She felt confused and worried about her state of mind. She couldn't get the visions of black smoke and red exposed muscle out of her mind. She could smell the sweat on Calvin's perfect skin. Had she crossed a line even she couldn't handle? But mostly, she felt disappointed, not only because she wanted something which was not right for her, and that her judgment was off, but because deep down, somewhere inside the darkest parts of herself, she still craved it.